All right, guys, so today on It's Easy, we're gonna ride over this giant log and we're gonna pop up it and land on two wheels on the other side. Probably the easiest technique on a dirt bike. So you're gonna come into it, you're gonna smash into it with your front tire, you're then gonna use a clutch pop to get the rear wheel up, then you're not gonna freak out and you're gonna fly over it and land on two wheels on the other side. It's easy.
All right, I'm just kidding. The double blip technique is extremely tough to learn, especially on a full-size bike rather than a trials bike. But it's something I've been working on for a long time now, and I had a bit of a breakthrough today. I didn't quite nail it, but I will break it down for you guys, and we'll go over what went wrong and what went right. And then hopefully I can nail it on the next round. So getting over a log this size with the double blip method can be intimidating. It's not a problem to get over it with the more simple methods, such as using the skid plate, which I'll show you guys later on, but the double blip is certainly more difficult. I definitely had to psych myself up for this one and really think about the steps in my head before attempting it. Okay, this first attempt showed a clear lack of commitment and a weak clutch pop. The things that I'm really focusing on are this: not coming in with too much speed, punching the log with my front tire about 2/3 of the way up, giving it that burst of throttle with the pop of the clutch to get the rear wheel to jump up the log, and making sure that my weight is back over the rear fender so the rear wheel doesn't spin on the log. The goal with the double blip is to land softly on two wheels on the other side of the log. You don't want your front tire coming down first. I quickly realized something was happening on almost every attempt to bring my front wheel down first. The rear wheel was getting air off the log. This is the moment where it finally felt right. I felt my rear tire actually track up the log without bouncing or spinning, and it was an incredible feeling. Although this was one of my best attempts, I still wasn't happy with how light my rear wheel was coming over the log. It was still spinning as I came over, but I managed to still land on two wheels on the other side. What I'm going to do is make some minor clicker adjustments to my shock and do a little bit more practicing, and then hopefully come out with a better video for you guys. I hope this helped you out, and I hope you enjoyed watching me progress. Thanks for watching.